The first thing you should do when looking for an acne concealer is to select the correct shade. Some people choose a shade that is lighter than their natural skin tone, but doing this will only draw attention to the area you are trying to cover. The shade you choose should match your skin exactly. Some concealers have a green or blue tint to them, and although this may seem like an unlikely solution, these concealers do hide the redness that is associated with acne. The consistency of the acne concealer you choose is important as well, since you will need good coverage to hide a blemish. Powder concealers generally do not offer the coverage that stick concealers do, but stick concealers can sometimes be a little too thick. Liquid concealer is best as it offers better coverage than powder but doesn't go on as thickly as a stick concealer. Oil-based concealers are usually not recommended for acne-prone skin, so look for a concealer that is oil-free. Oily concealers can give the skin a very oily feel, make acne worse, and clog the pores. Keeping the pores clear is an important part of avoiding acne outbreaks, so also look for an acne concealer that has a label saying that it is non-comedogenic. Some acne concealers contain ingredients like salicylic acid or mandelic acid to treat pimples. These products can be a good choice if you suffer from regular outbreaks. Ingredients like salicylic and mandelic acid are mild forms of alpha-hydroxy acids and work by gently exfoliating the outer layer of the skin and penetrating into the skin to help unclog the pores. Choose an acne concealer that is manufactured by a reputable company or that carries a reputable brand name. There are companies that specialize in skincare products for acne sufferers, and these companies often include concealers in their product lines. These concealers usually not only cover pimples but contain ingredients to help reduce redness and speed up the healing process.